In this video, I'd like to show you two different technologies for installing Z-Wave lighting with 3-way or 4-way switches. The first way is to use a proprietary technology. This one is GE Jasco. This is a regular Z-Wave switch, and this is a Z-Wave add-on switch. You can raise or lower the brightness of the bulb by raising and lowering the switch, or you can raise and lower the remote switch. This switch here is connected like a regular switch, and this one is connected using common and a single wire from this switch. This is different from regular 3-wave wiring, and if you attempt to replace 3-way wiring without buying a proprietary add-on switch, you will blow the switch because you'll plug 120 volts in where a low voltage is expected. The other technology for doing this is to buy a Z-Wave switch, such as this one. This is a linear switch, and this also is a linear switch here as well. Now, if I've used a Z-Wave association to connect this switch to these two. This can be done with a simple handheld controller like this Aeon Mini Mote, or I've used the J-River engine system to do the job. When you can, from this controller, in much the same way, raise and lower the brightness of the two bulbs. A single click turns them both off. A single click turns them both on. You can synchronize the two bulbs by dimming them completely and then turning them back on again together, and they will stay fairly well synchronized until someone blows it for you by touching one of these switches and changing something. So I recommend this type of switch for most installations that have existing 3-way and 4-way wiring. Your electrician can do it completely, and it requires no Z-Wave configuration at all. Should you later change your Z-Wave system or switch to some other technology, you have guaranteed operability with using the switches as they are. With this type, you require a Z-Wave controller, but it has the advantage that it works in systems without existing wiring, and it also works to control multiple lights at the same time. So each method has its own advantages and disadvantages. I will probably use both of them in my home for different things.